lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
on everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss on everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss on everything. Yeah, boss on everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, let's get into quick tip number 7 for this Smart Rapper series. All right, number 7. My microphone is always within arm's reach, and the button to the preamp to turn it on is within arm's reach. If I want to record, I can instantly grab my microphone, and it should never be more than an arm's length away for you. You should never have to go set it up, move this, move that. Everything just needs to be, you're good, okay? And headphones are also directly attached to the microphone stand, so I don't have to look or wait to connect those to record. It's just instant. This little thing is gonna also help you get to working on music way faster. And the reason being is less steps to get started. It's that simple, it really is. I've been in studios that don't have this $7 attachment to their mic stand where you put the headphones on there, and I'm so confused, like this is $7, right? Like I have one right here, it's a cup holder and a headphone holder, okay?
Come on.
And there's a headphone holder on the mic stand. Like it's very simple. If you wanna get the same gear that I have that's dirt cheap, you should get that. So you know, headphones like that also destroys your headphones setting it on stuff instead of just hanging, okay? So I'm gonna put a link to my Pro Tools template as well as a link to these on Amazon because they're dirt cheap. I'll show you the cup holder ones, and I'll give you the link to the ones that are on every mic, all 3 of my microphone stands right here, okay? Well, if you add everything up through this whole series, all of these videos and ideas they have for workflow, it's gonna end up giving you a workflow that actually makes you unstoppable because there's nothing slowing down your workflow. Those moments of inspiration happen more often, and they're also, when they happen, they're not lost, right? You're more creative and you finish more songs, right? So check out the next video for the next tip. Make them little bite-sized videos for you, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut and join thousands of other artists like you. They have resources that you wouldn't have anywhere else, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Make sure you check out my new songs. I'll play one of them over here because I'm an artist just like you, and I don't stop, all right? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Boss on everything. Whoa, yes. Boss on